Even we cannot give you the time. I got that document. Fine. You want to wait for that document before we have the next meeting, or you want to?
They don't know what are the boundaries.
We don't want any road, ma'am. If you want, we will address.
No. We also
But
don't want. We want our existing road. Don't
We
give
want
the
the
wrong
existing road
impression.
because they know this
Don't
people
give the
don't
wrong
know.
impression. You don't want the road.
युनायटेड आमची सगळं गांवभाव आनी भयण्यो एकठांय रावन एक डिमांड केला. अंडरलायनींग तुका हांव सांगता कितें आहा तें. तेणी इलिगली डंप केला आमचे रायट ऑफ वे. ही लेटर आमकां RVNL पंचायता बरोवली टू फॅसिलिटेट अ मिटींग विथ द विलेजीस. आनी आयज पंचायतान स्टँड घेतलो आनी सगळ्या लोकांक आपयले. आनी तोच डिमांड एक मेन आहा की तो यू स्टे ऑफ आवर रायट ऑफ वे. अंडरलायनींग ते सांगता की द रेल्वेज मस्ट स्टे ऑफ आवर रायट ऑफ वे. इलिगली डंप करून गोंयचे पुलिसांन आमचे ते आमकां सुरक्षा दिवपाक आहात ते पुलिसांन तेणी प्रोटेक्शन घेवन ते इलिगली डंप केल्ले. मॅटर सबज्युडिस आहा. ISLR इज येट टू डिसायड. आनी 28 तारखेर फेब्रुवारीचे ते 3:30 वरांचे मिटींग आहा. सो इतले आसतना तेणी जबरदस्ती करून ही माती ढांप केली आनी ढांपी केली म्हूण खंय लोकांचे घरां मुखार सारकी लोकांची मोटरां भितर भायर सरो येना. एक आमचे गांवची भयण सेंड्रा तेजो पांय दुयेंत आहलो. इतलो दुयेंत आहलो ताणें तो पिसो जातालो हाय ब्लड प्रेशर जावन. तेणी ते काडलो आनी ते घोडीन थिंग वयलो. 2 दिसान तो सोंपलो. तेका मॉर्निंग करपा देखून तेणी चान्स दिलो ना. तेजी त्या फाटी मरण आहा तेंच्या घरा आनी ह्या फाटीन तेजी माती घालता. म्हळ्यार एक कितें म्हळ्यार खाडीज आहा हो मनीस कोण इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता तो. हांव म्हणा RVNLचे ब्लेम करना कित्याक ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आयज सारकें म्हळ्यार सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे आसपाक जातली हिंगा. नॉट द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हाल येतलो काम करतलो वयतलो. सो कितें आहा सावथ वेस्टर्न जायते लोकांचे प्रश्न आहा. आमचे जायते लोक आनी तेंगे एडिशनल डिमांड आहा लोकांचे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम लीव ऑफ द रायट ऑफ वे लोकांक कितें आर पार वचपाक तांकां अंडरपास जाय आनी ते कायद्यान येवपाक जाय. इवन अंडर द सिंगल ट्रॅक लोकांक त्रास जाताय आतां. ते पावंडे आसले आमगे पास म्हणटाय पयलीं ते पास सगळे ते थातून उडयले. आयज आमच्या लोकांक आर पार वचपाक हें मेळना मीन्स क्रॉस करपाक मेळना. सो हांव एकूच क्वेश्चन आमचो लोकांचो प्रश्न आसलो तो तुमी माती घायला ती इतली काण उडोवपाची स्ट्रेट. आमकां नो फर्दर डिस्कशन. Villagers are in no mood to discuss anything other than what they have demanded. तुम्ही चोयल्यात जातले. You are also present. Very, very strong message to South Western Railway. Get off our land of the villages. Let the ISLR decide who has this ownership right over this land. ही लँड आमची पुर्वजांक दवरली आनी मुखार आसतली. आमी सगळे गांव भाव भयण्यो आमी एकठांय वतले. कितें करपाक तें लिगली वयतले. वॉट एवर वी हॅव टू डू वी वील डू इट टू द लिगल मॅटर.
अरुण बाब जेन्ना मिटींग चलो वेदर दे हॅव शोन एनी डॉक्युमेंट्स ऑफ लँड जावं बाकीचे
कांयच ना. आमी जाणा तेका ना म्हूण. बट स्टील आमी ते कडेन आमचो वडील आहा गांवचो मिस्टर मॅक्स डिसुजा आनी तेणें तांकां बरे भाशेन मांडलें क्वेश्चन. तुमकां कितें आहा जाल्यार तेणें म्हणलें ना इट इज ते कितें दाखयता सर्वे प्लॅन दाखयता 1971 वेर देर इज नो सर्वे रिकॉर्ड्स. फायन वी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टँड एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दॅट वेर देर इज नो सर्वे नंबर इट इज डीम्ड टू बी गव्हर्मेंट लँड. हावेवर देर इज अ रायडर टू इट. कित्याक दुसऱ्यांक रिकॉर्ड आसूंक जायना. आमगे सगळ्या कडेन लँड ओनरा कडेन रिकॉर्ड आहा दॅट दे ओन द लँड अप टू द रेल्वे लायन. आनी तें मॅक्सान तांकां बरे भाशेन एक्सप्लेन केलां. Oh, contractor. He's not a contract. He's a contractor. He's not a contractual person, as I can understand. He's in the execution. So this person, I think, was not a right choice to be here to attend such meetings. These are very, very serious meetings, and South Western Railway must take very serious note of this. That we don't waste our time calling such nonsense meetings. These are not acceptable. तुमकां तरी आन्सर दिवपाक कोण ना जाल्यार तुमी मिटिंगां लोकांनी टायम वेस्ट करून हिंगा हाडा काय लोकांक हिंगा. एक तेणी द गोवन न्यूजपेपराचेर तेव्हा एक कटिंग येयलें तेणें तेका अटॅच केलें And when I saw that, I will share it with you what they have said. I'll share you with the consent of our Panchayat. I'll share you also the letter what RVNL has given also, and that attachment where it states that even I am there in that clip, unfortunately, where we have clearly mentioned that this is a right of way. Nowhere that villagers, I don't know whom they are referring, which imaginary villages they are referring to, that they have agreed. So, affected villages asle, ek and ek gor asle, ek and ek gor. And 2 meetings, this is the 3rd round which they are taking up for Iswar Singh. So 2 meetings already झाले. सगळे affected landowners, residents, हिंग असले, हाजीर असले. I am very grateful to the unity shown by our villages. आज माका which Karzantlan, whatever little movement we have started as going so good, I think today it has fructified in the unity of our villages. हांव मागता अशें करून आमी सगळ्यांनी एकवटान रावपाचें.
क्रुशियल मीटिंग जाली, कितें निकाल जालो?
The meeting was on having a discussion with our landlords for the right of way. Okay, so there were 2 groups. We called each group at a time and we discussed with them. And till today, RVNL has not handed over any plan to us so that we can discuss it with our people. So now they have, RVNL people have promised us that they are going to give us a plan within 15 to 20 days, and we are hoping once the plan comes to us, whatever best way we can solve the problem. Whatever, if the people are ready, not ready, that is, I don't know. It is upon people whether they want something, they don't want. Once I have the plan, then I'll call a meeting again, I'll discuss it with the people.
लोकांची किती मागण्या अशी जेन्ना
Main thing is drainage they want, and a right of way which was there, they want the right of way.
Till the time work will continue or no? Any assurance?
We have told RVNL to stop the work. And we have asked them whether they have any title documents with them also. And since it is in the court, I think they should stop for some time till the decision is taken by the court.
लोकांच्या घरांनी माती घातलेली आहे तिचे तुम्ही काढपाक बी लायला अशी कितें
आम सांगला तांकां काड म्हण सो या काटाय कानाय we have told them because people are landlocked inside their houses, they cannot walk out. Something happens, house catches fire. What are people supposed to do? All this planning they should have done before putting the mud or even starting the project, which has not been done by RVNL or Southwestern Railway. They have just done the work. It is not the right way to work where the people are staying.
Point of contention and outcome of the meeting.
No, today's meeting was convened because we received a letter from RVNL, from the General Manager of RVNL, to requesting the Panchayat to facilitate a meeting with the affected villagers on their landlocked property. So this meeting was convened for that. We convened the meeting in with three different groups because they represent 3 different types of issues. And the main point that they brought out was that they don't even know what is happening. This was in complete violation of the railway code, the railway engineering code, which requires the railways to discuss with the local administration as to what are their plans. They have not discussed it. So now we have told them to take off all the obstacles that are there, restricting people from entering the houses, clearing the waterways, clearing the waterways of mud that they have dumped, and also the twigs and the branches that they have put in the way, which is blocking drainage. And we requested them to do all this before the monsoon. That is something that we have requested RVNL to do on an urgent basis. The next step would be for RVNL to give us a plan of what they intend to do in that area. They have promised to do that within 15 days. And when we see those plans, we'll study those plans, and then we'll work with them for a equitable solution, a solution that is applicable to both of them. And we have been telling them, we have shown them letters that this is nothing new. We have been showing them this from 2020, but they have not been showing us. They've just been doing whatever they want. So that is the way we're going to go forward on it.
About the land, there was some confusion. Whose land belongs to this?
No, that is very clear. I mean, as far as we are concerned, and as far as the Land Revenue Code is concerned, the Land Revenue Code says very clearly that area which does not have a survey plan belongs to the government. Even if we concede that. And the Land Revenue Code also says that it will continue to be the land of the survey holders till they provide documents. So we have got documents. We've got documents of description. We've got documents of Revenue Department which show that the land up to the railway line belongs to us.
Whether they had come with fully prepared, because they have not given proper answers.
No, they don't have any question. For them to give answers, they must have some title documents. If they don't have documents, how can they come?
Whether the work will be they will continue with the
We have told them, we have told them what we have to tell them. And when the matter of the title of the land is still sub judice, is still being under adjudication in the court of the Land Survey Department, how can they start it? Even if you accept the claim that this land belongs to the government, has the government given them the land? Do they have any document to say that the government has given the land? No.
You objected to one point that villagers agreed. What was that point?
The villagers, no, I don't think.
There was a letter from them which says that villagers that
No. That point was they have in the letter that they have given to that they have written to us. They have reported that villagers had agreed to give them land. So we asked them, who are the villagers that have agreed? Where was this meeting held? They got an answer.
Thank you.
My name is Christina and I stay in Premier Vada over there, and my house is landlocked. The railways have done their nuisance by putting the land filling which is almost half the meter or even more than that. Our car is blocked inside the house. We are not able to come out of our houses. So it is like they are doing it illegally. It is not their right. It is not their land also. It is our land. It is our right of way which they are taking it. And it is like they are not supposed to be doing that. It is our right of way and
okay.
वाट साहेब म्हणून तिथे आमकां तेमी आमची वाट ब्लॉक केल्या आनी ती हायट हाडल्या की लोकांनी भितर दिवंक वचो मेळना, लोकांक भितर वचो मेळना, तेजे घरान तेजी गाडी भितर आहाय, इतली हायट सारकी गिरगाची वयर चडल्या आनी आमकां वयर थिंगा चलूंक जायना. आमी स्टेप्स तेका मारलो ते मोन गायले. सो आमकां रेल्वे ट्रॅक क्रॉसूच करूंक जायना आतां. तेका लागून आमचें डिमांड आहाय आतां. And पयलीं ती माती काडूंक जाय. First demand is remove the mud because of the height. See, there are so many senior citizens who cannot climb that height. We require some other person who will come at that moment to take us down the other side of the road. We have to go to the doctor. We have to go to church. We have to cross the road. We have to go to the market. The children are there crossing. So this is our demand for the right of way.
My house, they have brought up the mud. That is all illegal land filling that they have done, and they have covered it. They have covered my gate, half the gate. So I am not able to enter my gate or exit my gate. My car is inside the property, and I am not able to. That is my right of way. I am asking them to give me my right of way. That's what, and I have told them to remove all the illegal mud that they have put, to remove it from there, so that I can enter and exit my gate. That's all.